Okay, what we are going to see the accuracy of the topographic sheets. So everyone believing our topographic sheets are very accurate. So it will not give any error information like that. Sometimes it is doing some. It has been produced in different manner. We are going to see that kind of topographic sheet here. Okay, so you can see we georeferenced the topographic sheet, so which is 58 by 9. You can see the area. um so Chittirai Reserve Forest, like that. Chittirai Hills, like that. So here you can see they mosaiced some shapes. It is also misaligned. You can see that misalignment of the topographic sheet. It is not properly aligned. The grid lines are mismatching. You see, somewhere we missed the grid line. So this boundary line also is missing. It is not properly aligned. Here, here also misaligned. It is not proper. So it may be having some errors. We don't know how much accurate this data. How we can verify this data? Here, other areas are there. Arya, Goundan, Nadu, like that they mentioned. So this is boundary of state and district, like that they split. Whether it is how much it is accurate, we don't know. That's why I have taken this data on Google. You can see I overlaid this topographic sheet over Google, so you can see the background images. You see how accurately it is matching. We can move grid by grid. This grid is matching properly, no issues. So this small grid also matching. Then we can move this grid also matching. So I have given some transparency. Then I can move for another grid. Another grid up to this edge. Already we told you na, this edge it is matching. This edge is matching. You see, other area not matching. It's not matching. See, up to this grid line, it is matching. The road is coming and suddenly it vanished. You see, the road vanished like that. We will not find such kind of thing. See, this line, this road is not connected to here. But if I remove that, the road is coming and connected. See, the road is going. But it vanished in the topographic sheet. Okay, here you can see. Here also, it is not showing. You see, this village up to here it is matching, and above this area is not matching. Then you go down, you can check this matching. Like that, sometimes we should not blindly believe the topographic sheet. This kind of error also may come. You see, we should report to Survey of India to rectify this kind of error. You see, is matching. Here also it is matching. Up to this line, it is not matching. That we could complain to the Survey of India. We could complain. We could draw some line. Up to here. Then you can go upward. Up to this corner. Not belongs to this sheet. Either the scale may vary or it is not matching accurately. That we will not able to use for our reference purpose, right? So thank you very much. If you find this kind of error, we have to report to Survey of India. This file name, it is not properly matched this portion like this. If we give this information to them, they can rectify. There is a possibility to rectify that image. So thank you very much. You check by using Google Images. Okay. So thank you very much.